I'm Justin Kennedy and I'd like to talk to you about Rapid Project Maker. It's a really cool software tool that allows our users, our integrators, to build out a complete conference room, boardroom, classroom without writing any custom programming at all. It does a lot of really cool stuff, and the main thing is it shortens the amount of time that it takes to write the programming code. You can use RPM to completely build out the functionality for the control for all of that equipment that you've got in your conference rooms, your boardrooms, and give full details on whether they're available, up and running, network issues, whether the lamp life is burned out on the projectors. This gives you the ability to track and monitor all of the equipment, the asset management pieces, all from the Rapid Project Maker application. We've got some great new features that are in the RPM application that include support for single room, dual room applications. We've also added the ability for the Enzo device to be added in, and that's going to be a really nice feature because you'll be able to trigger events and functions directly on the Enzo from your AMX touch panel. So when you build a room, you can build your conference room, your collaboration space, and you can add 2 or 3 or 4 touch panels into that single room, or you can split them up between the dual rooms. We've also improved the way that the macro functionality works inside of those applications for DVX, for DX-Link, and for Enzo functions. We have some really cool features in RPM that are coming out. It's RPM dual room. It's single DVX controlling 2 completely independent rooms. We also support multiple touch panels, and that's up to 4 touch panels in any room or any combination of any rooms, as well as support for our Enzo box. The Enzo support is really cool because I can launch a web page directly from the touch panel without touching the Enzo keyboard or mouse. I can purge my system when I shut my system down as a part of a macro. Some really cool features that we've added in to support that box just to simplify the whole process. Now, one feature that I think is really important is our new support for video signal presence macros, which means I can walk into a room, connect your computer to a HydroPort input, which can trigger a macro to turn the TV on, set the lights, do whatever you need to do to get the room up and running, and when you're finished, you simply unplug and it'll shut everything down. I think this is a perfect application for people that have small staff, because you're going to be able to take your 1 or 2 guys that you have on your staff. They're going to learn the software very quickly. There's no training required, and they're going to be able to then go in and monitor, maintain, configure any of the rooms in the facility that are your standard conference room collaboration type spaces. Check out more information at amx.com.